chayote. It's the look. Muna ang itsura. Ito na yung itsura ng lumpia natin, guys. This is pork lumpia. Because my husband loves pork. I know it's not good, but if your blood is high or high blood, if you have high blood pressure, but this is really good. Filipino lumpia. And ano ba yan? Niluto ko na yung meat, guys, kasi ayaw ko ng hilaw. Kasi baka, at saka hindi, ayaw din ni Kai ng hilaw. Di niya favorite yung hilaw na lumpia. I mean, hilaw na ni-wrap mo. Gusto niya yung ganito, yung luto na ba? Tapos i-wrap mo siya. Para sure na talaga na luto na yung loob. So, ganito ako magawa ng lumpia. So, ito yung nagawa ko. Ito yung lumpia na i-wrap ko. Ito yung wrapper. And ito yung naano ko. Sorry, makalat. Saka ito yung wrapper na ginupitan ko sa dulo. And, gumagawa din ako ng pork adobo. Request to lahat nito ay cook pancit. Very simple pancit. Because I don't have the ingredients, all the ingredients. So I use the glass noodles. So this pancit is mayroong pork. There's pork, bell pepper, onions, garlic, and that's it. And I use kikoman for the seasoning and the tempura sauce. And that's it. My simple pancit, guys. Ito yung handa namin sa New Year's. Simple lang. Mostly Filipino food. Another kuan. Niluto. Crispy pork or sa Bisaya, pork adobo. Pork adobo ni kung lutoon. Crunch pork. Yan. Sa New Year. Sausawan, pork adobo, puro pork. Yan. Saka pork, crispy pork na siya kung nang gi-adobo, Bisaya style. Yeah. Fruit salad, pansit, wala ko green. So, kana siya banana lumpia and pork lumpia. And yes, mao ni among dinner for tonight. Okay, guys, wala kayo may handa. At saka walay green ang akong pansit. So, akong gibutang jalapeno para na design. Hopefully, it's okay. No? And then, wala ko sa akong fruit salad. Only whipping cream ang gilagay na ako, guys. At saka honey. Hindi na ako binlagyan ng wala na kayo butangi o condense para healthy makakain si Kai. So, at saka yung fruits ko ay hindi siya naging 13 fruits. Pero at least something. So, yes, it's not healthy dinner but it's okay. Only for today. Guys, syempre, don't forget the rice. So, we're gonna have some wine tonight. And ni among wine na inumon. Nasa akong phone nga blurry man. Dara.